shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! I go round and round, I look like a wheel. Who am I? Who am I? Circle! Yes, circle. I am like an egg or a circle that is long. Who am I? Who am I? Oval! Yes, oval. I have 3 corners and I have 3 sides. Who am I? Who am I? Triangle! Yes, triangle. Shapes, shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! I have 4 corners and sides. All my sides are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Square! Yes, square. I have 4 corners and sides. Opposites are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Rectangle! Yes, rectangle. I have 4 corners and sides. I look like a kite. Who am I? Who am I? Diamond! Yes, diamond. Shapes, shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! Oh, yes! I have 5 corners and I have 5 sides. Who am I? Who am I? Pentagon! Yes, pentagon! I look like a star. I have 5 pointed corners. Who am I? Who am I? Star! I'm a star. I look like a heart and I look like a leaf. Who am I? Yes, who am I? Heart! Yes, heart! Shapes, shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! Circle! Oval! Triangle! Square! Rectangle! Diamond! Pentagon!